If you're looking to cancel your MGM Plus subscription and wondering how to do it, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step process by canceling your MGM Plus subscription. Whether you're signed up via the website, your Apple device or Amazon, I'll cover all the methods. The first method is canceling directly through the MGM Plus website. Here's how to do it. Open your browser and go to the MGM Plus website. Log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon. In the top right corner of the page, in the drop down menu, select account settings or manage subscription. Look for the subscription section where you'll find the option to cancel your subscription. Now, if you signed off for MGM Plus to Apple App Store on your iPhone or iPad, here's how to cancel your subscription. Open settings, tap on your name and go to subscriptions. Now here you can find MGM Plus and tap cancel subscription. You may need to confirm your choice to cancel. After that, let's cancel it via Amazon as well. Go to website of Amazon. In the top right corner, you'll find your name. Scroll down to memberships and subscription. Here you can find MGM Plus. Click cancel subscription next to MGM Plus and confirm your cancellation. And that's it. As you can see, canceling your MGM Plus subscription is super and easy and can be done through several methods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.